Take a deep breath in. As you breathe in that slow, calm, relaxing breath. Allow yourself to position your body in a way to become even more comfortable. Breathing in and breathing out, becoming deeper and deeper, relaxed with each and every breath. As your mind relaxes, open up a pathway to possibility, new ways of thinking. The deeper you breathe, the deeper relaxed you become. And the deeper relaxed you become, the more you are able to harness that part of your mind responsible for dreams, for making your heart beat, to enable you to blink exactly when you need to. Feel yourself going deeper and deeper inwards. Breathe in and slowly exhale, letting go of any tension in your body. And on the next inward breath in, just hold it for a moment. And as you exhale, feel the air as it leaves your body. Focus on your breath, noticing the sensation of the air flowing in and out. And just let your breath anchor you to this present moment. And then bring your attention to your body. Feel the weight of your body against perhaps whatever you're sitting or lying on, and notice any sensations. Maybe the fabric of your clothes on your skin, the temperature in the air. Maybe it's warmth, coolness, or pressure. And then scan your body from head to toe as you acknowledge any areas of tension and slowly release them as you feel yourself becoming more relaxed and grounded. And then use the power of your imagination to imagine standing at the edge of a beautiful forest. The air is fresh, and the sun is shining warmly on your skin. And you decide to walk into the forest, feeling the soft earth beneath your feet. As you walk, pay attention to the sights, sounds and smells around you. Hear the rustling of the leaves, the chirping of birds, and the gentle breeze. This forest represents your life, filled with various experiences and sensations. And as you walk deeper into the forest, you stumble across a magnificent tree. This tree is unique, representing your own individuality. Take a moment to observe its details, the texture of its bark, the shape of its leaves, the strength of its branches. Imagine approaching the tree and placing your hand on its trunk. Feel the life force pulsating through it, just as that same life force pulsates through you. This tree symbolizes your true nature, untouched by societal conditioning. And then nearby you hear the gentle flow of a stream. Walk towards it and sit by its bank. The water is clear and reflective, symbolizing your mind when it's calm and aware. And as you gaze into the stream, notice how thoughts and feelings appear and disappear, just like leaves floating on the water. And practice observing these thoughts without judgment, simply acknowledging their presence and letting them go. And then imagine a small clearing in the forest where a group of people are celebrating, and maybe they're dancing, laughing, and enjoying the moment, and you feel invited to join them. Feel the joy and freedom in the air. Dance with abandon, letting go of any inhibitions. And maybe this celebration represents the joy of living in the present, embracing life's pleasures with a playful spirit. And as the celebration winds down, you find yourself standing alone in the clearing. As you reflect on the idea of personal freedom, what does it mean to live authentically, according to your true nature? So imagine breaking free from any societal constraints or expectations that have been holding you back, and instead visualize yourself living a life true to your own values and desires. In that same clearing, sit down in a comfortable spot and imagine closing your eyes within your imagination. Imagine a warm golden light emanating from within you, representing your inner transformation. Feel this light growing stronger, illuminating your entire being. This light is your true self, radiant and free. Embrace this transformation and carry it with you. And then slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a deep breath in and then a deep breath out. As you breathe in through your nose and out through your nose, just wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes and feel yourself returning to the present moment. Very soon, I will count from 1 to 10 to awaken you. You will awaken feeling that a subtle shift has occurred, feeling a deeper connection with yourself, and feeling a sense of freedom. from whatever constraints have been holding you back, starting to count to awaken you. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes, open your eyes. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake.